We can continue writing inside the run app method, but it would begin to get tough to read it. Hence, we can break it down into a separate widget which we'll call my app. To create a new widget, we can simply create a new class with a suitable name and make it extend the widget class. Now, we can go on implementing this as we want. The Flutter framework offers another type of a widget class that's called a Stateless Widget. On diving into the Stateless Widget, we can see that it's a class that extends widget, which means that it would provide everything that is already being provided by the widget class, but would also make our job a lot easier by having something else that may be useful. A stateless widget is a widget that does not require mutable state, and hence the name stateless. Note that the stateless widget class is an abstract class, which means that it cannot be instantiated. Also, as soon as we extend the stateless widget class, we are forced to implement a build method. That is because the stateless widget abstract class contains an abstract method called build. Build method is responsible for describing the part of the user interface represented by the widget, which in our case is the Cupertino activity indicator. The build method takes in a build context as an argument. The given build context contains information about the location in the tree for this widget. This information comes from a non-abstract method defined inside the stateless widget class called createElement. This method is used to manage the widget's location among a tree of all the widgets on the screen. Let's complete the implementation of a build method inside the newly created My App widget. Once done, hit the Run button. You wouldn't notice any changes in the UI as this code does exactly what the previous snippet did. Hence, just to make sure it's working, let's switch back to using a Flutter logo instead from the material package.